E Tū Whānau, standing up for the family, is something that is culturally so similar from where I come from. Principles, guidance from grandmothers in terms of how we connect with families. And these are principles that we can embrace in everyday life. It's a compassionate society, right? And as a compassionate society, what are the values that demonstrate, that we use to demonstrate that compassion, right? And E Tū Whānau is the essence of it, in my view. And when we talk to people, they found this so meaningful, so simple, and so relevant, right? That as multicultural New Zealand, embrace these principles as values for our concepts of safety in the community. And we realized that these principles were actually for everybody in New Zealand.